and Pawan Kumar, grade 7, subject maths, chapter 4, simple equations, exercise 4.2. Already we wrote the equations. Equations means LHS side is equal to RHS side. Next one. First one, give first step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equations First step you will use separate variable. Here our question part is x minus 1 is equal to 0. The given equation is x minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0. Here left hand side x minus 1. X minus 1. We use one variable. X minus 1 means we take x minus 1. Here the second term is minus 1. We take opposite sign with same number plus 1. Our question part is x minus 1, but we take x minus 1 plus 1. Again we add RHS also plus 1. Listen here. Our question part is second term is minus 1. We take opposite value plus 1. That means we add plus 1 with both sides. That means we add plus 1 both sides. Add 1 both sides. Add 1 both sides. X minus 1 plus 1. Listen here. Minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, that is 0. Minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. We add minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So x only having is equal to RHS side 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So our value is equal to x is equal to 1. First we take the value plus 1. That means because the given value is equal to x minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0. Here sign is minus. So we want to add plus 1. Plus means minus. Minus means plus. Here plus having. So x minus 1. Here minus having x minus 1. We take plus the same number 1. Minus plus. Minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So x only having x is equal to 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1. The value x is equal to 1. Next one. Question part B. X plus 1 is equal to 0. Our equation is x plus 1 is equal to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0. Here plus 1 having. So we take minus. X plus 1. Here simple is plus, sign is plus. So we want to minus 1. Right hand side also minus 1. Listen here. Plus 1 minus 1 cancelled. Remaining x only having. So x is equal to 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So our answer is x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. Listen here. Our equation is x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here plus having. So we take minus 1. Plus 1 having, take minus 1. We want to minus 1 both sides. We want to minus 1 both sides. X plus 1 minus 1 is equal to right hand side 0 having. So 0 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 is cancelled. So x only is equal to 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So our value is equal to minus 1. Next one, C part. X minus 1 is equal to 5. X minus 1 is equal to 5. Here minus 1 having, so x minus 1. Minus 1 means plus, we take plus. So plus 1 is equal to 5. Right hand answer also 5. Right answer also plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 cancels. Remaining x is equal to 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. It is available 6. Therefore x is equal to 6. Listen here. X minus 1 having, so we take plus 1 of both sides. X minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is cancelled. Remaining x is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. The x value is equal to 6. D part. X plus 6 is equal to 2. X plus 6 is equal to 2. Listen here. The second term is plus 6. So we take minus 6. X plus 6 plus 6 value. So we take minus 6 on both sides. 2 minus 6. Minus 6 minus 6. Both sides subtracted from 6. Plus 6 minus 6 cancel. Remaining x is equal to 2 minus 6. That means 6 minus 2 is equal to minus 4. So x is equal to 4. The exact solution x is equal to 4. The next one, second Roman. Give the first step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation and then solve the equations. Listen here. Here our equation is 3L is equal to 42. Left hand side 3L is equal to 42. 3L means 3 into L. 3L means 3 into L is equal to 42. 3 multiple L. So we take multiple means we take divide. Divide means take multiple. So 3 into L. So 3 into L divided by 3. We have 3 into L, so we take divide 3. 3 multiple L, we take 3 multiple 3 divide 3. Divide 3 on both sides. 42 divided by 3. Listen again. 3 into L having, so we want to divide by 3 both sides. We want to divide by 3 both sides. 3L divided by 3 is equal to, or let us say 42 divided by 3. 3 cancel, remaining L only having. L is equal to 42 divided by 3. 42 divided by 3. 1, 3 is equal to 3. 1 times 4 minus 3, 1. Bring down the number 2. 12. 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. So our answer is 14. L is equal to 14. L is equal to 14. Our L is equal to 14. The next one, B part. B divided by 2 is equal to 6. Listen here. Into means divide. Divide means into. Here we divide 2 having, so we want to multiply by 2 on both sides. We want to multiply by 2 on both sides. Our equation is equal to b divided by 2 is equal to 6. So we want to multiply both sides by 2. So 2 into b by 2 is equal to, or it's 2 into 6. Or it's is equal to 2 into 6. 2 to cancel. Remaining b is equal to 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. So our b value is equal to 12. Listen here. B by 2 is equal to 6 we want to multiply by 2 both side. 2 cancels, and then RHS side 2 into 6 is equal to 12. B is equal to 12. Then C part, B by 7 is equal to 4. B divided by 7 is equal to 4. Divide means into means divide. Our equation is P divided by 7 is equal to 4. So we want to multiply by 7 on both sides. Want to multiply by 7 on both sides. 7 into P by 7 is equal to 7 into 4. 7 into P by 7 is equal to 7 into 4. Here 7 cancel, remaining P only. P is equal to 7 4s are 28. So P is equal to 28. And then D part, 4x is equal to 25. 4x is equal to 25. 4x means 4 into x. 4 into x. Here left hand side 4 into x. So we want to divide. The equation is 4x is equal to 25. We want to both side divide by 4. So 4x divided by 4 is equal to 25 divided by 4. Both sides you want to divide by 4. 4 cancel, remaining x is equal to 25 by 4. X value is equal to 25 by 4. Want to divide 25 by 4. 6 4s are 24. Remaining 1. Take 0.0. 2 4s are 8. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2 and 0. 5 4s are 20. So answer is 6.25. Therefore x value is equal to 6.25. 6.25. On the third part, give the first step, you will use separate variable and then solve the equations. Here our given equation is 3n minus 2 is equal to 46. 3n minus 2 is equal to 46. Minus 2 is equal to 46. Here LHS is equal to 3n minus 2 is equal to RHS is equal to 46. Our value is equal to minus 2. So we take plus 2. Minus means plus. 3n minus 2 having. So you want to plus 2 is equal to. Plus 2 is equal to 46 plus 2. Both sides you want to add plus 2.